We're here for Rise Underground Pro Wrestling at the Old Sawmill Garden Party, representing Rise Underground Pro Wrestling, and of course, my boss,
the manager of Rise.
The manager of Rise, Danny O'Doherty. Danny,
Daniel O'Doherty.
Talk to us about this weekend. What have we seen? What's been going on? What does it mean for Rise?
Leanne, you didn't see what happened yesterday, but it was absolute madness. And all weekend, to be fair, has been madness.
Boris,
hello Leanne.
you have just won a 10-man Battle Royale.
Win the Rumble at Sawmill Festival. 2 years since we've been here.
Are you my ex-girlfriend? Dirty tat beast!
Big Lou Nixon, you've been here the whole weekend.
Busy.
Talk to us about your experiences.
Yeah, this has been me warming up, getting ready for the biggest match of my life, biggest match of my career against Clint Margera, Spooky Slam 3.
Predicted, designed to be addictive with prescriptions of God. All the silver forward, trying to force it on the social up.